What's up, everybody? Baron Munster coming at you with another BVS action figure review. Today we are looking at the Golden Armor Wonder Woman, which is of course featured in the new DC Universe film Wonder Woman 84, which comes out this coming August. So let's jump in, take a look at this figure, and see what's going on. So this is the Golden Armor Wonder Woman. This is, of course, made by McFarlane Toys as part of the DC Multiverse line. Now, as many of you probably know, of course, McFarlane Toys did take over the Multiverse license, which had previously been held for years by Mattel. So McFarlane's doing their take on these now. Just looking at the range of motion and stuff on this figure. Not as many points of articulation as you may be used to from DC figures, but still a pretty good range of motion. Double jointed elbows, which is of course great to see on a female figure. Double jointed knees. There is no thigh cut, no thigh swivel added on that. It does have featured butterfly joints here on the shoulders and chest. Pretty good range of motion. Out of the torso. All in all, pretty sturdy figure. It's got like this weird like rubber kind of feeling piece here in the middle, which hides there's an ab crunch inside there as well. Ball joint for the head, so good motion on that. Pretty solid, sturdy figure. It's a little bit awkward to balance. Not as bad without the wings, but still can be a little bit challenging to get balanced on its own. It does come with a display stand, which has a peg for the foot as well as a flight stand. The wings that come with her, you can just pop right in the little sockets here on the back. Without the stand, it was definitely a lot harder to pose with the wings. So depending on the type of display you want to have, I would recommend using the flight stand. It does definitely make it easier, especially with the wings. And really, it seems silly to not put this figure on display without the wings. That's just my personal preference. I think they look really cool. Definitely a cool look for Wonder Woman. And in terms of the stand, it just clips around her waist right here and fits pretty well. Stand is real sturdy, so that's cool. You can, of course, pose it however once you do have it on the stand. That would be my preferred way as far as displaying it. It's just my personal preference. But pretty cool that it does come with it. No real other accessories with it other than the stand. So you get basically the figure, the two wings, and the display stand in the package. So comparing this Wonder Woman to other Wonder Womans that we've had in the past, this is, of course, the original DC UC figure of Wonder Woman, which is its regular 6-inch style figure. As you can see, this figure is much, much taller. She definitely has some height over typical 1/12 scale figures, definitely more in that 1/10 scale, maybe 1/9. This is, of course, the original Armored Wonder Woman from DC Direct, the original Kingdom Come figure line, of course, from what this is inspired from. She fits great with the other McFarlane armored figures. Of course, the Hellbat and the Superman Unchained, so she does fit well with them if you overlook that it's a movie figure. These are some of the other movie figures that Wonder Woman has been featured in, the Mezco 112 on the right and the figure arts on the left, so definitely a size difference there. So that about wraps it up for the Wonder Woman 84 Golden Armor. Don't forget to like and subscribe.